Hello guys, it's a Hyundai iload engine D4CB, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a hard starting or no starting engine. There is a couple of different way. Sometimes the engine is hard starting, sometimes it's not starting. How to check the engine if it's good or not. Sometimes the injectors no good, even sometimes even one of them no good, the car engine will not start. Sometime if the turbo has problem, it blocks the exhaust, it will not start. To check the injector, so you have to, when the we have to replace, or you have to remove the injector and check one by one. To check the turbo, what we can do, we start the engine with the air starter and we remove the cap. If the exhaust smoke comes out from here, it means the turbo is blocked. It doesn't let the car to start, and I'm gonna show you how it was. So just remove this turbo because the car was not starting, and then I checked the turbo, and then it's like the fan was too much free play. As you see, it's already broken. And then the other side of the turbo, as you can see, this is the new cartridge. I'm gonna replace it. So this is the new turbo cartridge, and the fan, it was broken. So you see, it comes here. So when this one was broken, it was stuck on the turbo, stay here, and it doesn't let the smoke goes through to the exhaust, which is the exhaust here. Smoke comes here from engine, from here, and then it goes to the exhaust, but this one actually blocked the exhaust, and then it doesn't let the smoke go out to the exhaust, and then the smoke was coming out inside the engine. It comes out from the cap, which is on the top of engine. So that's why if this one is blocked, when we start the car, the smoke will comes out from here. And that's all. Thank you.